This video is an installation example and demonstration. Always consult the most recent instructions at americanstructures.com. This video details installation for V-pan and flat pan roof panels. Before you begin, always consult the local building department and secure any required permits. Next, ensure the materials at all attachment points are solid, structurally sound, and secure. Once you are ready to install the patio cover, verify that all relevant materials have arrived as per the sales order. To prevent damage, store or place components on a protective surface such as soft grass or a tarp and cover until use. Patio covers require a variety of tools and hardware. Keeping these items within easy reach will help streamline the installation process. There are 3 methods to secure your patio cover to the house or structure: roof mount, eave mount, and wall mount. To begin, lay out the hanger rail, hanger, and gutter extrusions on the ground in the same direction as they will be installed on the house. Next, attach hanger tape to the inside of the hanger between the flanges. Then slide the hanger rail onto the hanger until the ends align. Depending on your roof type, mark the top flange of the hanger. Mark the gutter according to panel type. To direct water to the downspout, install a gutter dam. Using a razor knife, modify the gutter dam to a snug fit and apply a generous bead of caulk for a watertight fit. To prepare for hanger and rail installation, ensure proper clearance between any openings and the patio cover. In addition, ensure the foundation is large enough to accommodate cover projection. Then, starting on the left side, use a leveling tool or chalk line to mark the width of the cover on the house. Next, secure the hanger rail using hex lag screws with a minimum penetration of 3 inches into the stud framing. Based on site conditions, there are 3 different ways to secure flashing. Starting at the left end, install flashing according to your site conditions. When the 2 courses meet, tuck the second course under the first course a minimum of 2 inches. Next, to prepare for gutter, post, and I-beam assembly, find a protected work area to mark the materials. Determine post layout, and if there are more than 2 posts, determine intermediate spacing. On the gutter or I-beam, mark the center line of each post bracket location. Attach the bracket to the gutter or I-beam using 4 Hex-Tech fasteners. If using an I-beam as your support, the roof panel should not have more than a 25% overhang of the clear span. To ensure water drains away from the house, the front of the patio cover must be lower than the back. The minimum slope must be ½ inch per foot. There are 2 methods to support a patio cover: using an I-beam or using a gutter. The method you will use to determine the correct post height will vary depending on the support type being used. If you are using an I-beam system, follow this formula. For example, if you are using a 4-inch I-beam and the hanger height is 120 inches, subtract both the drop and beam height from the hanger height dimension. In this example, your post height will be 111 inches. Once you have calculated the post height, cut the post using a miter saw. If using a gutter system, you will follow a similar formula. For example, if the height is 120 inches, subtract both the slope and gutter height from the hanger height dimension. In this case, your post height would be 113 inches. Once you have calculated the post height, cut the post using a miter saw. Transfer the dimensions from the previously installed post brackets to the slab. Then, with a minimum 6-inch setback from the edge, install post brackets using wedge anchors. In order to facilitate safe I-beam installation, you will need 2 or more people to assist in this next step. Hoist the I-beam so post brackets align with the already installed posts, and lower the I-beam so the brackets are inside the posts. Secure using 4 Hex-Tech fasteners, 2 per side. First, identify the male and female lock side of the panel. Then, stack all panels with female and male locks on the same side. This will help make panel installation easier. Before starting, determine if your patio cover is over 16 feet in length. If so, you will want to install a middle roof panel to avoid sideways ratcheting and bowing. To begin panel installation, start on the left side of the previously installed hanger. Insert the roof panel into the hanger, ensuring the male lock is on the outside of the framework and the female lock is on the inside. Next, fasten the roof panel to the underside of the hanger using Hex-Tech fasteners. The next step is to secure the opposite end of the roof panel to either the gutter or I-beam. If you are using a gutter as your horizontal support, fasten the roof panel to the gutter using Hex-Tech fasteners. Ensure there is a minimum overhang of 1/8 of an inch into the inside lip of the gutter. This allows easy maintenance and cleaning in the future. If your patio cover is using both an I-beam and a gutter, fasten the roof panel to the I-beam through the top of the beam on the outward-facing side using Hex-Techs. To hide the fastener, consider using the hidden fastener channel for Hex-Techs. If you are using an I-beam system, the next step is gutter installation. In order to facilitate safe installation, you will need 2 or more people to assist in the next step. Starting at the left side of the cover, hoist the gutter up so the inside lip meets the underside of the panel. Ensure the gutter is flush with the outside edge of the panel. Using Hex-Tech fasteners, secure the gutter through the panel to the inside lip of the gutter. Ensure a minimum overhang of 1/8 of an inch into the inside lip of the gutter. Repeat the process to secure the right end of the gutter to the roof panel. If the patio cover is over 16 feet, secure the gutter to the previously installed middle panel using 2 Hex-Tech fasteners. Attach the gutter clip to the male lock using a single Hex-Tech fastener. To interlock a panel, tilt the male end of the panel and interlock it with the female end. Starting at the left side, install the next panel by interlocking the male and female ends until the assembly lays flat. Slide the panels back until they are seated against the hanger tape. Fasten the roof panel to the hanger using Hex-Tech fasteners. The outside of the panel should align with the 6-inch or 12-inch marks previously made. Continue installing 3 additional roof panels for a total of 4 installed panels. Anchor the previously installed flashing with Hex-Tech fasteners to the lock of the 3rd panel. If using a gutter system, anchor panels to gutters. If you're using an I-beam system, anchor panels to the I-beam and gutter using appropriate fasteners. Insert the flanged end of the gutter clip into the slot and secure to interlocked panels using Hex-Techs. Continue installing all roof panels, secure flashing, and add gutter clips. The next step is fascia installation. Measure from the wall to the outside of the bottom of the gutter. Using a miter saw, cut the side fascia to this dimension. Then, cut the back side of the side fascia to the angle of the slope of the patio cover. At the hanger end of the side fascia, cut back the top and middle flanges 1 inch, and repeat this process for the right side fascia. Hang the side fascia on the top of the panel, and ensure that the top and bottom of the side fascia are flush with the outside edge of the gutter. Secure the fascia to the top of the gutter and to the underside using Hex-Tech fasteners. Secure the side fascia at the hanger using one Hex-Tech fastener. Using Hex-Tech fasteners, fasten the side fascia to the length of the panel every 12 to 16 inches. Repeat this process for the right-hand side fascia. The final step to secure the side fascia is to ensure the corner is flush with the bottom and secure with Hex-Tech fasteners on either the gutter or the side fascia. The next step is to install the downspout. The downspout can be installed in one of two locations, either in front of the post or on the side of the post. To begin installation, mark the location for the dropout hole on the gutter. Then, using a 2-inch hole saw, cut the hole at the marked location. Center the dropout over the hole and attach using 4 Hex-Tech fasteners. If using a gutter and I-beam configuration, the elbow type will depend on site conditions. Begin by attaching the elbow to the dropout using 2 Hex-Tech fasteners, one on each side. Place the second elbow in the desired location on the post. Measure the dimension between each elbow and add 4 inches. Install the downspout by crimping the bottom of the first elbow to fit inside the downspout. After this is done, complete the downspout installation by crimping the base of the downspout to fit into the lower elbow. Measure from the bottom of the second installed elbow to ground level and add 2 inches. Cut the downspout with factory installed elbow to this dimension. To install the downspout, crimp the bottom of the upper elbow and attach the downspout using 2 Hex-Tech fasteners, one on each side. Secure the lower end of the downspout to the post using a piece of aluminum downspout strap. If using a gutter-only configuration, begin by attaching the elbow to the dropout using 2 Hex-Tech fasteners, one on each side. Measure from the bottom of the elbow to ground level and add 2 inches. Cut the downspout to this dimension. Crimp the top of the downspout and attach it to the elbow using an aluminum strap and 2 Hex-Tech fasteners. Secure the lower end of the downspout to the post using a piece of aluminum strap. Check the following attachments and connections before finalizing installation. Hanger attachment to wall has been flashed and sealed. Roof panel flashing is secured, locked with fasteners, and caulked. Roof panels to hanger fasteners are secured. Roof panels to gutter and/or I-beam fasteners are secured. Gutter clips are installed at each roof panel lock location. Side fascia attached to hanger, roof panel, and gutter. Top post attachments to brackets have all required fasteners. Bottom of post attachment anchors are secured. And if using I-beam support, ensure all roof panel screws are caulked.